Ever heard someone say give up or pick up and got confused? These are phrasal verbs. And today, you'll master 5 of them.
Hey, English learners. Welcome back to Talk English Podcast. I'm John.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we're tackling common phrasal verbs you hear every day.
We'll break down 5 essential ones with meanings, examples, grammar tips, and pronunciation.
Stick around for a quick quiz and a chance to be featured in our next episode. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's grow your English together.
So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a phrasal verb?
A phrasal verb is a phrase that combines a verb with a particle, usually a preposition or an adverb. These combinations often have meanings that are different from the individual words.
For example, the verb give just means to hand something to someone, right? But if we say give up, it means to quit or stop trying.
Right. That's why understanding context is so important with phrasal verbs. Memorizing them without examples can be confusing. So let's dive into 5 super common ones.
Our first phrasal verb is give up. It means to stop doing something because it's too difficult or you don't want to continue.
For example, I tried to finish the 1,000-piece puzzle, but I gave up after 2 hours. I feel that one.
Same here. And here's a motivational twist. Don't give up on your English. You're doing great.
Say it like this. Give up, and notice how native speakers often link the words smoothly, so it sounds like give up.
Give up is an inseparable phrasal verb, which means you can't put the object in between. Correct. I gave up smoking. Incorrect. I gave smoking up.
Next is look after, which means to take care of someone or something.
Here's an example. My sister looks after our dog when I'm out of town.
This one's really useful in daily life, especially when talking about kids, pets, or even plants.
Native speakers often link the words. You'll hear it as look after.
Look after is inseparable too. You say, she looks after the baby. She looks the baby after.
You can also use it in questions. Can you look after my bag for a minute? Run into means to meet someone by chance without planning.
For example, I ran into my old high school teacher at the grocery store.
It doesn't mean you literally ran into them like, boom. It just means you met unexpectedly.
This one is also inseparable. You can't say run my teacher into.
It can also mean to face a problem. Example, we ran into some issues during the project.
Here's one with multiple meanings. Pick up.
It can mean to physically lift something. Can you pick up that pen for me?
It can also mean to collect a person or item. I'll pick you up at 7 p.m.
And it can even mean to learn something informally. She picked up some Italian while traveling in Rome.
It's quick pickup, often heard like pick up.
Pick up is separable, so you can say, pick the kids up. Pick up the kids. But not with a pronoun at the end. Pick up them. Pick them up.
Last but not least, turn down. This means to reject something, like an offer.
Example, she turned down the job because it wasn't what she expected.
It can also mean to reduce the volume. Can you turn down the music? It's too loud.
Try saying it together. Turn down, smooth and connected.
This is separable. Turn the volume down. Turn down the volume. Turn it down. Turn down it.
Okay, let's test your memory with a mini quiz. I'll read the sentence, and you try to fill in the blank with the correct phrasal verb.
Number 1, I was going to finish the race, but I halfway through.
Answer, gave up.
Number 2, she always her younger siblings when her mom is busy.
Answer, looks after.
Number 3, we are favorite actor at the coffee shop.
Correct, it's ran into.
Want to be featured in our next episode? Leave a comment below with your own sentence using one of today's phrasal verbs. We'll choose one and give you a shout out next time.
That's a wrap on today's episode of Speak English Naturally. We hope you enjoyed learning these commonly used phrasal verbs with us.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
And tell us in the comments, which phrasal verb do you use most often? Or maybe one you've just learned today?
Thanks for joining us, and remember, don't give up on your English journey. You're doing amazing.
Finally, for more information, you can watch the next video via the link below.